Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to get the duplicate records in the table. Suppose there is some set of data you are adding in the database, so you want to find out the duplicate records. There is some option to eliminate the duplicate records, but there is a little bit confusion or need some logic to find out the duplicate records to display in a table. Okay, fine. Here I have the table name as TBL records in the database new path. So these are all the IDs that I have. These are all the names I have. There is some set of names like A, B, F have the duplicate things. So I want to find out how to get the duplicate records. So I going to write some logic here. Before that I just removing here, so it will not give a confusion. I am just selecting the table new path so that you can easily find out the queries to be executed in a correct way. Okay, fine. What I am going to do is I am going to select the duplicate records here. So I am writing some select query, select name from table records. Okay, now if I select this one, I will get executed the name details. So how to find out the duplicate records? Here I going to use the group operator. So I am just group using the group by name. Okay, now I am execute. So it's grouped by name. So it's display the names. Uh, okay, A, B, C, D, and it removes the duplicate values and showing whatever the values present in the table. So now we don't know like which are the records have the duplicate values. Now we have the records what are there in the database. So what I am going to do is I am using one more attribute called having. Before using having, I need to find something like mm, okay, here I have the logic like I want to find out greater than count name. Okay, suppose if I'm adding like this, throws some error. So what I'm going to do is instead of doing that, I'm just making the things like count name as counts. Execute the query. I'm getting some error because here there is some exception which I'm not handling here. So what I going to do here is fine. Okay, here I'm getting some error because what I return the logic is totally it's irrelevant. So actually the thing that is a statement having. Here what I going to do is I going to get the list of names which are all greater than count equal to 1. So we can easily find out which are all the count greater than 1. So I'm executing this query. We are getting A, B, F. Okay, before that I just want to get you the things. like A, B and F for the return. There is a value have the duplicate returns, so we are getting the counts and we are finding the exact values A, B, F. So there is one more operator having to find out the duplicate records or have some set of condition that records have some greater than one, greater than this, that. So this is one useful attribute a group by having. You can find out some duplicate records without having. You will find out the records with unique operator. Suppose like A entered 100 times. Now you want the records to be just want to show the records. We don't want any kind of counts or something like it will not repeated. We want some unique value, so that we just use the group by to find out the things. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe and please comment us to improve our service.